bit more scripting. Last time I had Bob. Bob is this one, and the script attached to Bob. Basically, when we start, it just fires him off into the air. These coordinates here, first x, first y, first z, which are exposed down here, first x, first y, first z. One more thing I'm going to do with Bob is I'm going to make it, it's kind of a good idea for all of them maybe, that when he gets below a certain height, so basically he's fallen off the purple, then I'm going to destroy him. Haha. So I'm going to put that into the update. And so void update autocomplete solves our problem for us. And I'm going to ask the question if. I'm going to ask if his y coordinate is less than 1, because I'm going to say that's basically fallen off clearly. Now the way we talk about y coordinates, his whole position and rotation, all the rest of it is encapsulated in this transform thing. And I happen to know that if I say if transform dot position, I only know this because I looked it up, and then say dot y, so that's going to be his y coordinate. I'm going to say if that's less than 1, then something is going to happen. And the thing that's going to happen is going to go inside a pair of curly brackets. So I open a curly bracket, it automatically closes it for me, and I hit enter, and it does the indentation nice and neatly for me, and this is where my code is going to go. And again, I looked it up, and it said what I needed to do was to destroy the game object, the current game object, semicolon on the end. So in theory, I should see Bob launched into space, and then when he hits the ground, boom, disappears. Little scripting, done.